Hello, we are here for one more lesson of this 4MCAD training course, and the topic for today will be the addition of polylines. Polylines, as you may know already, it's a special type of entity, and it's something apart from what we can call a simple entity. So we have simple entity, which in this case can be a line like this, or an arc, or a circle, and we have this complex entity which can be defined as the junction of all of these type of entities depending on the shape. As you can create them, we can edit them also. Before show you how to deal with the addition, for example, things like the polygon or the rectangular shape like this. This is one of the cases where when we make a rectangle, this reacts as one single entity, so this is a polyline. So this is another example. So we can modify any type of 2D or 3D polylines because we have them either in one side or in the other side. Entities such as rectangles, polygons, and donuts, as others also, or on the 3D can be edited to deal with the polyline commands. And we can edit this polyline opening, closing, changing widths, changing vertex, changing the shapes. There are a lot of things we can do. Let us see a couple of examples. The first thing to show you this, and I've created a couple of simple entities. Again, these are individual entities, and we can assess the polyline through modify menu, then object, and then you have a function polyline. And the polyline, once we have these individual entities, I want to turn this into a polyline. So I will click one of the entities. It asked me, this is not a polyline, do you want to create one? Yes. And now I have all the functions that I assess with the polyline command, and I want to select the join. So J, and select this and this and do the enter. And now if I click in one of the entities, you see that they are one single entity now. Okay, now it is called a polyline. So now with the polyline created, I can, for example, change the vertex. I can call the entity and do the addition of vertices. I can do the close, for example, C, okay, and it will close the polyline. I can do a fit, okay, and the fit will make an approximation curve, so F, okay, it's an approximation curve that takes in consideration the control points. I can revert the polyline. I can create a spline, which is a little different from the fit. Let's enter again, polyline, this one. I can change the width, and for example width, and I can say for example 1, and you'll see I get different widths than the original. So I can do a lot of things. Okay. Basically, it is important to know that besides the possibility to join entities and create one polyline, we can, every time we need, we can grab this polyline and explode it, changing these entities in individual ones. So for that we can go also to the modify menu, then we have explode, click on the polyline, enter, and now we have simple entities again. Okay, this is how to work with polylines, and along the course we will see examples, and we will speak again in some special situations where there is advantages to work with polylines. So for any questions or any examples, you know how to reach us. Send us an email or put some comments in the comment area of the YouTube video.